Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Haka jingele ban Kyntiew ya ki Samla ki badanya ka sap haka jingele ka basketball Kyrwoh District Basketball Association haka jingetre lang bot ka Meghalaya Basketball Association haka khat santre unaitung arja arpun reu kala Plie Pyrda ya ka Lampung State Youth Basketball Championship na ka banta ki khana ki bahapo ka khandrus nam karta Hamadan Basketball ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo. Ya kani Lampung lawan ban Plie Pyrda daw MLA ka Nongpo uba Meral Bones im haka jinga don lang ka kong Rona Kimdat ke MDC ka Nongpo ki noilam ka Meghalaya Basketball Association uba Joel Marban yang berupa James M. Bamon kumjuru uba Johnny Lee Lamari President Kyrwoh District Basketball Association uba B. Marban yang General Secretary bat kiwe. Hakadi ka sngi kijing kun kala long ka basongshit hapareng Kyrwoh District Basketball Association bat ka St. Anthony School Shillong. Haka pa ka St. Anthony School Shillong kala penliam no ya Kyrwoh District Basketball Association da sanpu kendai la sanpu wei basket.
Habang ipay syaki dinilakay dokter ibagi kun Samla dengan juk kidungi mentah dipersan dan tentulit ia lebih. So kemudian bagi bahagian keski, bahagian State Youth Basketball Championship kun Samla kidungi dan dibentah dokter layawan bahagian kejakan. Bandem bagi dirimu naga bentah dan berhenti kena berpenilai kai bahasa berkumpul suthong dengan job. And I am delighted to hear that this championship has been organized so that the Meghalaya Basketball Association will select the best, the team out of all the represent today here, so that the team who will be represent the state at the National Youth Basketball to be held in days to come. This is a very good initiative that has been conducted. I would like to congratulate the Meghalaya Basketball Association in collaboration with the Kyrwoh District Basketball Association for conducting this tournament to facilitate, to select the best out of the best among all of you who are present here today, so that you could represent the state to bring joy, glory, laurel to the state. Ngisudu hak reality kung ginong ilekay, kami kerusuk ko kimpoy ha kani kabanta do tidan menta. Ngayi yaki bayi ki bahasam ibadi ki player basketball. Kung punui kengaru udah bagi lekai basketball ha, lagi represent yang state, balajit langri, but ngaji ya kajing kriskom ngejung na tu udang di school. Kumno ba upun kena ya lagi, naga benda pun praktis magasi, ban kriskom ban penletimut, naga benda punla ban lekai ha. Laju represent ia kajela, laju represent agi bentar dokter, bangam aratin banong, bana preng jumpi agar skill, undang hidup izin mut izin perkat, naga bentar berkulak dan undang kurang ia lagi, ia keing kesem, ia kesenang, ia district, ia team to represent. Looking at the team which says rise, compete and inspire. It reminds me of the words of the famous philosopher of our country, Swami Vivekananda, where he said, arise, awake and do not stop until you achieve your goal. The same thing will apply to you, dear athletes, players who are here today. You should rise, you should be awake, you should work hard. Then only you will reach to your goal. There is no easy way in this world. There is no complacency. only hard work, dedication, determination will take you to your goal.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya